Hi, so I'm going to show you how to hold your yarn and your hook when you're crocheting. So we're going to start with a slip knot, and if you're unsure about how to do a slip knot, then just click in that video there and that'll show you how to do a slip knot. So you've got your slip knot, so now we need to hold our hook. To hold the hook, you need to get your hand and kind of your middle finger and thumb this is like your doing hand. So this hand is the hand that holds all the tension within your yarn, okay? So you wanna get your pointy finger and your yarn in between your pointy finger and yarn, pull that your hand round, and then the tail, you just kind of hold it with this little finger, and that's gonna help with the tension, okay? So once you've done that, when you're crocheting, this is going to be your work, and you kind of pull it down with your middle finger and your thumb. So that gives you the loop for you to crochet into. Okay, so I'm just going to do a couple of chain stitches. I can show you how to do them properly in another video, but just to show you how best to hold your yarn, I'm going to show a little chain stitch. As you can see, I'm holding this part with my middle finger and my thumb to pull it down so that I can see the loop that I need to crochet into. So, and this is your doing hand. You do all your motion with this hand. This hand is literally just your tension. So I'll show you how to hold it again. You need to get your hand, put the yarn in between your pointy finger and your middle finger, like so. Hold down with your little finger to pull it tight. Bring your hand round and you should have it through like that. And then as you're crocheting, you're going to pull this one down with your middle finger and your thumb. And you are, if you feel like it's a bit too loose here, pull this finger up. Pull this finger up a little and you'll get a tighter yarn, a tighter tension. If it's too tight, bring your finger down a little bit. And then you're not going to hold it too tight with this, it's just kind of guiding the yarn through. Okay, so I haven't got hold of it tight, but it's enough to keep it where it needs to be. So as you're crocheting, you're pulling down with these so that you can get your hook through loops. This finger is your tension finger. So too loose and it's a bit baggy and it's quite hard. If you have it too tight, then it can be quite tough to get through. So you just need a medium tension. As you start crocheting, you'll learn the best tension for you. But yeah, so that is how you hold your yarn, and then you flick your hand out to get more yarn off the roll, and it'll become second nature where you just get it and crochet. It's like muscle memory, but then it can still pop out, pop it back in. That's because my tension was too loose. So in between two fingers, turn your hand, pull your little fingers down and go. So that is how you hold your yarn and your hook. And this hand is just moving your hook. You might find that this is not the comfiest position for you. So if it's not, then by all means go for another way of holding it. But I find, for me personally, and I see many other people as well, this is an easy way to hold your yarn and your hook. There you go. So if you've got any questions, then ask me in the comments and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. So if you've enjoyed this video, then you can subscribe here. There's a beginners playlist with all your beginners tips here, and here's a link to my latest video. Thanks a lot.